First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh.
What's up, guys? Today we're playing Don't Press the Button 7. Let's go.
Let's go.
I got me giant coil over here.
Me too.
I'll just have our blue shirts on. Yes.
What's his basketball jersey?
Basketball jersey, guys.
I'm not bad, bro.
Okay, Tsunami. Okay, let's go, guys. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Quick, before I get hit by the tsunami.
Yeah.
Voices.
No, I fell.
No.
No, Bitcoin. Bitcoin.
No, I died.
Wait, there's
Frankie, where are you?
Bitcoin.
I love it.
Little
Yeah,
bit.
Help me. Help me.
Bro, my little bird survived.
I died.
Okay, guys, my little bird survived the tsunami wave.
And by the way, he's 3 years old. Do the thing.
Frankie, don't get the coin. No! Collect item. Oh my gosh, I know what I'm collecting.
No, please, I never got the rainbow coil.
Okay, guys, I think this is the one where you get the coil, guys.
Give me you. Give me
This is a coil. Yes, I was right.
Yes, rainbow coil. No, I died.
Help me.
Can you die, live it? LOL.
Is the coil still there?
No, it disappears. Dingy.
Dang.
I at least have jump coil. Yes, this is perfect, guys. Hee. Let's go.
No, not me.
I want to buy some coins.
I'm already up here, waffling.
I'm going to buy out for
I
it.
want to buy some coins. Bitcoin. Really?
Come up quick, guys. The tsunami's about to hit. Frankie, no! My little bird died, guys.
No.
I bet ball.
No, you guys died. Waffling, you died?
Yeah.
No.
I'm
Wait, jump for that Bitcoin.
Where's the Bitcoin?
No.
No, I can't reach it. Nope.
You can jump and die.
Damn it.
Maybe my dad on myself. Maybe my
It's raining tacos.
Maybe my dad
Come on, let's go.
Tacos.
Don't even ask
Why?
why. Just open your mouth.
Let's go, guys. Woo! I think I can pick up a taco, guys. Huh? Okay, I'm gonna kick the button. Speed run. I'm not doing that. I'm not losing my coil.
I do.
I still my regen coil.
I do my.
I'm not trying to lose my coil, guys.
And
I died. No.
This is. Man, are you serious? Don't go! You're gonna die again. Bruh.
bro, bro, my fast ran out. That's so unfair, bro.
Go.
Frankie's button. Frankie's button.
Bro, why did we die?
Bro, raining tacos again.
Raining tacos.
How I died? I lost my coil. How I died?
Please don't cry. Just open it.
Now, don't lie. And rain the dust. And the cold. We go.
Bruh.
But
Think fast.
don't it. I don't you.
Coin.
Don't.
LOL. What?
Bro, we could have jumped on the button.
Mhm,
We don't
true.
know if it's work or not.
Jenna! Ah! No, Jenna! Help. Help.
Help me, Wee he's so big.
Yeah, help me.
Bro, how's Jenna big?
Oh, help me. Help
No!
me.
What's this? Stop. Leave her alone, Jenna. Jenna, stop.
Bro, someone has so many coins like this.
Leave me alone, Jenna! Whew.
Watch out for... Okay,
Don't you walk.
hole in the wall.
There's a
There's
hole in the
two-
wall.
There's 2 holes.
No.
2
No!
walls. 2 holes.
Jimmy! Get
Go,
away!
Frankie, go quick!
Holy Spirit.
No!
Oh, he got
Frankie, just a wall!
Just
Do I Betty. What?
Bro.
What is that?
Think fast.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Think fast.
Think fast.
I
No way
don't
you
know.
got the coin.
Mm.
Because you never know if it's tall or short.
Go. Oh my gosh.
Just stay near the button.
Oh my god, bro. That's crazy.
What dummy? What dummy?
What do you mean?
What dummy?
No.
No, why? Do it, new bunny. Dirty bunny. What better?
Among Us. Okay. Red.
Boo, 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 boo.
Pink, pink, pink.
Boo, boo, baby.
Sad they don't have a
Brr.
Don't know that boo.
Red. Red, my favorite color. Guys.
Boo, my baby.
and purple.
Okay, in the comments down below, put red.
Speedrun. No, I'm not losing this, bro.
What's your speed run? Let's have nothing to lose anyways.
What's we doing? We lose our character.
Who cares? I'm gonna do it for coins.
You don't die.
Coins. Bro, there's a blue egg in the air.
Guys, I think I'm gonna make it, guys.
Dude, there's a blue egg in the air.
How
No blue
dare
egg.
it? How dare it?
Frank wants the blue egg.
That's my bed daughter.
I lost my speed, guys. How's that fair?
You
That
don't
happened
do.
to me too.
Lost my speed.
Bro.
Bro, you killed all of us for no reason.
What?
Bro, why pants?
Alright, guys, the flood.
Wait, what happened to your pants?
What do you mean?
On my screen.
Don't.
Your pants are my pants.
Hmm?
On my screen, your pants are my pants.
No, I'm gonna die.
Look at my screen. See?
No.
Look at your girly pants.
Brr. You're tripping.
No, do.
Frankie,
What's
dip.
What?
Help! Give my scissors. Give my scissors. Give my scissors. Give my scissors. No.
I'm going behind the house.
Oh, seriously. Offline, and get in the house.
Get in
Help! I'm
I'm-
dying.
the house. Bro, your pants are gone now.
Quiet. What's happening on your screen? I need the 4 big coins, guys. I heard this map have 4 big coins at the end.
Oh no! I died.
Bro, that's...
That hard.
I died.
Bro, this is impossible.
This is not impossible.
Impossible.
Oh my gosh, guys, you see those 4 big coins over there? Come on.
Come on, if you get...
Do you even have those big coins right there?
Dang. Let's take it.
Watch out for walls. What wall?
This wall.
Let's go.
This all that easy.
Oh my god.
This is the one.
Just go the other one quick. Guys, quick. Help, I won't be.
I won.
Frankie won't make it. No!
I can't believe Frankie made it.
I died. Come on.
That's a win.
Bruh. How I died?
How dare you?
That's crazy.
Come on, Red.
Blue or red?
I choose Red.
Yeah, you red. You got this?
Yes, I need those coins.
Why do they look big?
Don't die.
Maybe because you're close to them, though.
I told you.
Yeah.
Wait, don't die.
I'm gonna destroy your Frankie. Haha. Okay, sorry. I love you.
Whoa.
We're so bright yellow, guys. Ooh, no! Oh.
Yes, I won.
I bet.
Bro,
Let's see what's got.
bro,
Died 2 times.
bro, your pants are still
Quiet. Climb as high as possible.
Bro, acid.
Let's go, guys. It's
Acid
acid.
flood.
Yo. No, boy, no.
Yes, I got the coins. Yes, guys. Just
The flood
go.
is so. Oh my god. It's so. Oh my god.
Okay, let me do my emo for victory. Yay! My victory
Bro.
emo.
I
Let's
mean-
go.
I may die. I may 9.
Let's go.
What's color?
Let's
Oh.
go. Woo! Woo! Let's go. Tsunami. Okay, let's go, guys. Tsunami.
I'm getting big coin. I don't care. I'm getting big coin.
I mean, don't. Damn it.
Damn it. My, don't die.
That's
Bye.
not fair, bro. You can
Bye,
Bitcoin.
Bye.
Tsunami's about to hit, guys.
We were used to them coming from here. Oh, bro.
Oh.
Mom.
The place where the big coin is. There's a
I see the
place
big
that-
coin.
There's another one. I'm risking it. No. Hey, yes, I got it.
Damn it! Oh! Oh! Oh, that big coin. So bad.
House.
Guys, black hole, black hole. Guys, stay alive, guys.
I'm alive.
Frankie!
It was really scary.
Bruh.
Bro.
I'm dying.
Bro!
I died.
We all died.
Come on.
Mom.
How do people get this much coins?
I'm tapping you.
Ew, your pants.
Those are your friends.
Lasers, guys, lasers. Yes, I jumped over them, guys.
They're
Woohoo!
coming.
Just another one.
Yeah?
Ooh,
Don't
I
you know?
dodged them. So easy go, yeah.
But,
Time.
What?
2 dances, just go. Woo!
Not this. Jihad.
Let's go.
No.
Dodge lasers, guys. Waffling can't go in the middle and jump on them. I think you already know that, right?
Yep. Not them.
Bro,
It lagged. Come
I
on.
mean-
imagine if you free. Oh, it's just 3 of us. It's perfect.
What do you mean?
It's 3 of us. It's perfect.
Oh,
We did
let's
do
go.
it
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
here.
Waffling. Just see moments waffling stop. Waffling, seriously?
Sorry.
That
Ew.
one.
If I love you guys didn't have pants. If y'all guys didn't have pants for a second.
Bruh.
No.
Bro, why every time yellow is being gone?
No.
Yay.
Let's go.
We have no
The
pants.
ball.
Let's go.
Oh.
Waffling, stop. I do have pants, you guys. You see it, right? Comment down below. I have pants.
On my screen,
Bruh.
on my screen, he
Okay, guys. That's it for the video today, guys.
Bro, we just
That's-
started playing.
Waffling. Okay, that's all about it, guys. Peace.
Please.
Peace.
Peace. See ya, guys.
See
Bye.